Hello world, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little quick get ready with me, and thank you to none other than Catkin for sponsoring today's video. They have sent over 4 makeup products and I'm this close to getting my entire vanity just filled with their products. The packaging is amazing, it is to die for, and let's just jump right into it. Before we do get started, don't forget to go to Impressively by Glass House for all of your press-on nail needs. We do any length, any shape, and every order is custom made, so any design that you request, it can be done. So, this is Catkin. This is the first product that we'll be starting out with. I've already prepped my face, did my brows, and this is a BB cream, but look at this panda. Like, get into it. So not only does it come with the little poof, it's also a panda. How adorable. And then here is the cream, which it also already comes with a replacement. I thought this was the cream and I had to put it in here, but it actually comes with a replacement. Thank you so much. So let's get started. This is in the color C04 Buff. Ooh. It is a little dark, but oh, it's perfect. I thought the other colors were a little too light. Wow, this is actually perfect. Wow. Okay. I like this. Now, I am also a little tan right now. It doesn't smell too bad. Now, I don't normally do a full face, especially now in this heat, but I do love a BB cream, so I'm excited to see. I'm just gonna apply it with this, and then I'm gonna buff it out with a brush. I love the formula. Blend it out with a brush. Wow. I love this. They have a lot of products, and like I said, the packaging is what got my heart. They did so good. Nice. All right, I applied my concealer, my blush, my contour, because that's all stuff that I did off camera, because the next product that we're gonna get into is the eyeshadow palette. This is Seasonal 9 C08 Morandi, and these colors, like, can we please get into this? When I was doing the swatch, this one and this one, like, can we just, they're very light, but I love the shimmer to it. These are just beautiful colors, especially now for the spring, summer. It just called out my name. So unfortunately, these are not in English, so I don't know what name. So I'm just gonna start off with this one up here, and I'm gonna put this one in my crease. I'm excited to see the type of formula this is. Oh yeah, this is nice. It is powdery, it's not like creamy, but it is pigmented, so I'm here for that. Oh, this is really nice. So I'm just gonna put this in my crease, and then I don't know, should we do like, what kind of look should we do? This blue one is really pretty too. You know what? I think I'm gonna do the blue on the outside. See, I always say let's not do too much, and then I just go right into it. Oh, see, like, this is definitely buildable. It's not, it doesn't come off that dark. Okay. Oh, this is very pretty. I wish I knew the names. I guess I could Google Translate it. But they have so many palettes. They also offer bundles if you want to buy more than one. And I think that's what I'm going to go for, so that I can fill some of my vanity with this brand. I love it. And it's very light, as you can see. Like, it looks really pigmented here, but on the brush and then applying it, this is something that you can definitely keep picking up. So if you just want like a little bit, do a little bit. If you want a lot, go for a lot. I love it. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this one on the lid. So let me get a flat brush. And let's just put this right here. That's pretty. It's a nice neutral color. I feel like this is also buildable, and then I feel like you could always put something over this. So I feel like in the center, I'm gonna go back over and just blend these two. I think in the center, I'm gonna go with this one. This one is so pretty. I could just imagine a full lid. Oh, do you see this? Wow. The camera is not doing it justice. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm just gonna apply this right here on the center. Oh, could you imagine a whole lid with this? Oh, I think that's what I'll do next. I'm obsessed. This is so pretty. You know, if it's sparkly, if it's glitter, colorful, bring it to me. Okay, I love. I'm gonna come back and do a whole lid with just this color. And a little bit up there. I wish you could see this in person. So pretty. All right, now let's just blend this back out with the original color. Yes. And then I'm just gonna go back in the corner for this white one, nude white. Oh, I love. I love it so much. Okay, next, they also provided a liquid black eyeliner. You know me, I love my eyeliners. And what I love is the tip. You know, nowadays, companies are just doing like this felt tip, and I'm not here for it. But this is really nice, really thin, and waterproof, because I don't know if it's waterproof, but I had swatched it on my hand. I had even done the dishes and like it was still on, so. All right, so I'm not gonna do too thick of a liner. Let's just start. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yes. Yep, I'm here for it. It glides right on. It is pigmented. I love the thinness of the brush. Yes, I love this. You can make it as thick or as thin as you like. And this is also metal, so I love the packaging. Yes. Oh God. Give them to me all. I love it. Oh yeah. This is gonna be my new go-to liner. I love it so much. It glided right on. There wasn't any like inconsistency on the brush, on the application. This is the eye look. I'm gonna apply some lashes and I'll be right back. And here is the finished makeup look. I'm utterly obsessed. But the creme de la creme lipstick. Look at this packaging. Can we just get into this packaging? It is Gorgina. And it gets better. Look at this. Do you see how beautiful? Give them all to me, please. This is a Rouge lipstick CP170 in Magnolia. So I'm gonna put it on first without any lip liner, just to give you the real authentic version of what it's supposed to give. And then I'll apply lip liner. Ooh, look, just a dot. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Wow. It's actually more pigmented on camera. This is like a beautiful rosy pink. On camera, I feel like it's giving magenta. Add a little bit of a lip liner. Just a little bit of a lip liner to define, and then I'm gonna take a lipstick brush and smooth out the edges. Oh, I'm utterly obsessed. I'm a makeup fanatic, so when they reached out, I couldn't resist. So thank you again to Catkin for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to go to catkin.com to view all of their makeup selections. And don't forget to go to Impressively by Glass House for all of your press-on nail needs. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.